Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about on how to stop automatic car properly. This is a very simple for a beginner driving. I will be showing you on how to safely, properly and defensively applying the brake through the brake pedals and bring your automatic car to a complete stop. So follow me, watch this video till the end. Like I told you in other of my videos on how to drive automatic car, today again I'm here to show you on how to stop an automatic car properly. Now this is accelerator and this is the brake. This is what we are going to be focusing on, the brake. Always use only the right leg to be controlling the two pedals. Always use this leg. Don't use this leg here and be pressing accelerator, which is wrong. So always use this right leg. This leg is accepted in driving school, so use this leg to be controlling the two. This is the brake that allow you to stop an automatic car. If you don't know, this is the brake pedal. This is the brake pedal. Is a brake that allow you to stop an automatic car anytime you wish or you are willing to stop. There are things to know. You don't just slam your leg on the brake and match at once. You can't just match it at once. It is very wrong and it will cause an accident. Always press it gradual to the taste of what you want. You press it gradual. If you can see, you press it gradual till you reach down. You hold it and automatically your car will stop. Again, you press it gradual, hold it there and discover that your car will stop. Let's put it in practice. Now I'm going to put my gear lever to drive and let's start and see how it works to stop an automatic car. Then my leg will be on the brake, if you can see. Then I'll now shift the gear to drive. If I release my leg from the brake, discover that the car will begin to go. I'll match it gradual and stop, if you can see. But if I match it, I slam my leg on the brake, you discover that the car will now stop automatic, as which it will cause accident. So you press it gradual and stop. Gradual and stop. This is how it works. Then you can see, let me put it to the windscreen. Put it gradual and stop. You go again, you release your leg from the brake, you go gradual, you discover that it stopped. Like I say, you press your brake down, hold it there, automatically your car will stop. Don't slam your leg on the brake and match at once. Calculate where you are going to stop. Then you begin to apply your brake gradual till it go down and hold it there. It will stop. Always put it to practice, because practice makes perfect. Always practicing your brake, how to match this brake. Thank you for watching this tutorial today. Please subscribe to JOHNSADDY Driving, turn on the notification button, like, share and comment.